stop learning UX UI design.
Really, nigga?
You heard me right. You need to stop learning UI UX design. And I will tell you why, and I will also tell you what next to do. Let me guess. You learned about UI UX from a friend, or a family, or from the internet, and you're enticed how much you can earn as a UX UI designer. I know. Now here's the gist. You have been learning this for a couple of months, let's say 3 months. Now it's enough. Stop learning. It is time to start doing what you have learned. It is time to practice what you have learned so far. The goal of every career learning is what? To earn money, of course. So stop learning and learning and learning. It is time you start earning, my good friend. I'll tell you something for free, and I will show you how to go about it. You don't need to know everything at first. I know that what lots of us are doing or waiting for is for us to be perfect. No, you don't have to be perfect. You can actually learn better on the job and also earn some cool cash, right? So stand up, get into a community of designers, volunteer into a UX UI firm, build websites for that your friend or your brother or auntie that needs an application, or your colleague in the office that also needs an application. Register on a freelancing platform just like Fiverr or Upwork and start collecting money for the skills you know already. That is how to earn and learn. Remember, the aim is to practice and learn while earning some cool cash. I know a couple of you guys that have kept on learning UX UI and they have moved on to like engineering, front-end engineering, web development, back-end development, and the list is enormous. I can go on and on and on different skills you guys are trying to acquire. But guess what? You're not earning a cool cash and you're not master of any of them. So quit the learning already. Quit it, bro. Quit it. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money from what you have already learned. And yes, you don't need to be an expert to start earning some money. I could remember doing web projects for little tokens. I could just say, bro, I need to do your website. I can do it for free. And the person might be interested to give you some peanuts to help you get started. So if you got value in this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and let me know what you think about the video. Also follow me on YouTube at Building Amazing Things so you don't miss out on content like this. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you'll be the first to watch my next video. See you and bye for now.